Rondell moved toward the resource storage, Sector B3 doors, flare gripped in one hand, cutting tool in the other. The light from the flare turned the frost on the walls into sheets of burning copper. The door was half collapsed under its own weight, hydraulics frozen. He wedged the blade into the seam and pressed the activation stud. The dead motor coughed, but failed. Still, the heated edge bit into the metal with a hiss. Every minute felt like a theft from his oxygen gauge. The hiss of the cutting tool, the low animal breathing from down the corridor, the slow crack of the door surrendering, all of it blurred into the same rhythm. Finally, the panel gave way with a groan and a burst of stale, compressed air that smelled of oil and decay. Inside was a cavern of shelves. Most were empty, picked clean by time or scavengers, but some still bore sealed containers coated in grime. His suit lamp found a faded label, emergency rations, stasis sealed. The packaging inside looked intact. He opened one crate and found pale nutrient bars hardened by age but chemically safe. Another crate contained 3 oxygen cartridges, still sealed in foil, and a thermal blanket packed tight in plastic, a small miracle of logistics and luck. He pocketed the canisters first, then checked the rear of the annex. There, half buried in dust, sat a maintenance console still humming faintly, an auxiliary node independent from the main system. When he powered it on, lines of text flickered across the cracked display.
Automated log entry. Cycle 7491 containment breach in lower refinery bays. Workers evacuated to cryopods. Overseer declared biohazard lockdown. Cause, unknown mutation in biomass. Cryo bay. Status, 17 pods functional. 1 manual override active. Surface transmission, fail.
He read the line again, mutation in biomass, and felt his stomach tighten. The creature wasn't a stray survivor, it was a byproduct, something left over from the refinery's last breath. He shut down the terminal and packed what he could carry. As he turned, his flare dimmed to embers. The orange light flickered over the far wall, where something large had brushed past recently. A smear of blood or rust marked the metal in broad strokes, leading deeper toward the cryo bay. His oxygen gauge blinked. 1 hour 14 minutes now, the extra canisters stabilizing his reserves, but the air felt heavier, denser with unseen life.